What we're going to show you here is the Kranzle water filter. That's an optional extra if you wanted to buy this item. So on the Kranzle itself, what you've simply got here is the normal standard water inlet coupling, the hose lock Gardini fitting. While we're on, we'll show you what you simply got underneath. There is also a stainless steel filter, pair of pliers that pulls out. Now, different size gauzes. What you've simply got there is a fine gauze, but what still can happen is dirt can get through the system itself. We've got the other filter that's the optional, and what simply happens with this one is you've got your 3/4 male thread and you've got your 3/4 female. Now there's a little O-ring on inside there that seals it, so it seals on the O-ring. Like I say, this is an optional extra. Simply screws on. You've then got your male thread, which is 3/4, that you could put a fitting onto at that point. Unscrews, and what it is doing, it's giving you a larger, vaster area as protection. You'll also find that that filter is a lot finer than the filter that's in the machine itself, so you've no chance of getting any dirt inside the system as long as you leave this in place. O-ring the bottom. Job done. Simple as that. And that's the inline water filter. Thank you very much. Q Services, Q Washers, eBay and YouTube.